Applied mathematics is, it's a lot of what it sounds. It's an application of mathematics in life, whether, it can be applied in almost any industry. It sounds kind of corny or cheesy, but, mathematics is present in, most every business operation.
Actuarial science is the field of calculating risk. If you look around, there's risk everywhere. Someone needs to calculate what is the probability of getting into an accident, what is the probability of getting sick.
You can work for, most actuaries work for insurance companies, determining coverages.
Because someone needs to be able to calculate what the premiums need to be. Actuaries are in high demand. I can tell you that from the Bureau of Statistics, labor statistics, they have estimated that the median pay for an actuary is about, I think it was $87,000.
There's a certain aspect of applied mathematics that has to do with sort of like sports science and dealing with numbers. I don't know, there's a famous book and movie recently with Brad Pitt and Jonah Hill actually called Moneyball, and that concept has always interested me of mathematics and sports.
Buy wins. And in order to buy wins, you need to buy runs.
Who are you?
I'm Peter Brand.
First job in baseball?
It's my first job anywhere.
We're gonna shake things up. Why don't you walk me through the board?
I believe there's a championship team that we can afford because everyone else undervalues them.
To do with that industry I'd really feel like it would suit me.
Well, we have a very special program, I like to think, because we are very close to our students. We only have about 60 majors and another 10 minors. And so we know the students fairly well.
Anytime I need help, I can just walk up to the second floor of Arts and Science Common, and there's usually someone there.
Here at Ferris, it's really nice. You can talk to, the professor directly, where other places it might be a teacher assistant.
I think we have like 25 professors, so you can do the math yourself, the ratio, 60 to 25. So it's very small.
If your professor's not there, I can go to a past professor and they can usually help me.
There's not a ton of actuarial science majors here, so most of the classes are relatively small. There's only one or two sections of each class.
I feel it's a very comfortable learning environment for students. And we do try to draw students out, get them into small groups, and work together with them.
Most of the class we take Calc 1, Calc 2, Calc 3. We take differential equations, linear algebra. We also take a couple computer programming classes. So there's a lot of different aspects of the major.
My most challenging class was, once again, the statistics class with McClendon. He's a really, really good teacher, but his classes are definitely hard because you learn a lot of material in such a short amount of time.
We also have 3 student organizations where we get to know the students. One of them is the National Honor Society, Pi Mu Epsilon. We only have 12 chapters in Michigan. We're fortunate to be one of them. We have Gamma Iota Sigma, which is a new organization that's been revitalized, and that's for actuaries and insurance students. And we also have the Math Club, been around for a while. So we get to see students inside class, and we also get to see students outside of class. Wish that students who want to go into math, love math, but don't go into it because they don't know what to do with it other than to teach, and they don't want to teach. I wish I could have a few minutes with them and just talk about the actual science field and the other fields there, because as I said before, computer science is doing well and so is applied math. But the actuarial science field, it's booming, and I have never met an actuary who has ever regretted going into that field. Never.